My teeth had always looked okay, but 11 years ago, I was diagnosed with ovarian cancer, late stage. And so I started going through all these treatments. Chemo after chemo. Then I had like 3 times I did radiation, and I just noticed that my teeth were starting to not look very good. They kind of turned a little bit of like a gray color. And so I was still working, and my job has always been sales. So I was always in front of people. So I always wanted to try to look my best. And I think it just, the first impression that people get when they see you, if your teeth are, they look too far off, I think it sticks in their head. So I made the decision to get them fixed. So that's when I came to Dr. Ringer, and we decided that I should get porcelain veneer. I feel amazing. I feel like definitely a lot more confident when I walk in, and especially if I'm meeting somebody new. I'm so happy I did it. And I wish I would have done it sooner.